boyfriend up in the room, and he asked me to make him some breakfast. So I'm finna make him a mini breakfast. And you'll see the part mini what I mean, but I'm finna make everything small as hell. Okay? Alright, y'all, so I'm finna literally like, we got some, I get some up, but we still got some sausage, and then we got some bacon, so I'm finna make it into like a mini sausage, like a little small slice piece of bacon or whatever. And then for the egg, I'm gonna have to use the eggs, boy. I don't know how I'm gonna get the yolk in the egg. I'm gonna try to figure it out. But yeah, I'm gonna make everything small. So let's get to it. Okay, y'all, so I had to switch to voiceover for this part because I don't want him to hear me doing too much talking while I'm getting everything together. But as y'all see, I'm going ahead and I'm putting the meat and stuff on the cutting board so I can get ready and to cut into the little pieces that I want. I mean, the bacon, I didn't really know how to cut it, so y'all will see how I cut it, but I didn't really know how I wanted to cut it, so I just really cut it into any way I wanted to, as long as it was small. So yeah. Okay, so at this point, y'all been seeing me attempt to cut the bacon with the knife. Didn't work out right, so I'm gonna have to go get my handy dandy kitchen scissors, and I'm gonna put those to good use. And as you see, I just cut me a nice little line going straight down. And then at this point, I just realized once I cut them a little small, I feel like I want to do it a little bigger, so I had to cut like the other way on the bacon. I should have been able to show y'all more up in the camera, but as you see, I cut it like that or whatever. Okay, so at this point, I didn't have a little cup or whatever, so I had to use my little shot glass for the egg. So I went ahead and cracked the egg in the bowl first, scrambled it up or whatever, put a little salt and a little pepper in it, and then I poured just a little bit up in the shot glass. Now, I didn't want to do too much because, I didn't want to make the egg that big because I was making sure everything's going to be real small, but I had to put enough up in there, and then you'll see how much I put. So at this point, I ended up adding another little baby sausage because I felt like I had 2 pieces of bacon, so I want to add 2 little baby pieces of sausage. And, just to add a little bit more extra to the plate. Not to put too much, but just to, help make it a little bit more fuller or whatever. Alright, so now it's time to put the eggs up in here. And as you see, I'm going to just put a little bit. Y'all, I was shaking a little bit because I didn't want to put too much and I didn't want to spill it either. But that's how much I put up now, just a little bit. Alright, and that's that. Okay, so now we finna go ahead and put the meat and stuff up on our pan. And y'all, I ain't gonna lie, this little stuff, it most definitely was rolling around, moving around, even the bacon started sliding. So I had to try to keep it up in a little one spot for the camera. Yeah. So in this moment, I definitely felt like I should have ended up cutting the bacon a little bit more bigger because like y'all see how like it's instantly shrinking, like just sitting on the pan. But anywho, I made it work, but I did feel like I should have cut it a little bigger. But it was definitely was cooking, y'all. All right, so now it is time to make the egg, and we eat scrambled eggs up in here. I mean, we eat other eggs too, but mostly scrambled. But I went ahead and scrambled that little egg up, and I still feel like even with the little I put up in there, I feel like it still came out to be a lot for me to be trying to make a little mini meal. But yeah, all right, then here go the little finishing touches. I got it on a little plate. It's really a top, y'all, but I made it a plate, and I got like a little spoon to put with it, you know. Yeah. All right, y'all. So my breakfast is done. Gotta give me a good thumbnail too. Oops.
A foreign government invaded our country.
Oh, wait. Sit up. I can bring you some food.
Do I look manly in this purple cover?
Huh?
Do I look manly in this purple cover?
I asked YouTube.
Military strength is not the answer. So what? Is the answer, Doctor? More scientists? Because it's
Swallow on from the
we
table.
can't do this the hard way.
I'll show it to the camera before you eat it. Let them know what you got.
You even get the sausage. I say you even get the sausage.
What am I trying to do? I need to hear your responses. You need to what?
I ain't got no response.
What you like my food? I'm in here.
I'm finna eat it. That's all I'm finna do.
You better eat it. I actually got you a nice little
A
napkin.
mini breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
Can we go straight to lunch?
Heck, you know you gonna use your finger. No, you fat. Just like a dog.
For breakfast, baby. It took 2 hours for that.
Yeah, it makes me gotta do it. Alright, y'all, so that is it for that video, and I'm gonna go ahead and make my breakfast. And I ain't doing me no mini breakfast because I gotta eat, okay? So, I love grapes. Alright, y'all, so that will be the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell for more videos, and stay tuned with your girl, okay? And come on, join the family. Join the family. Alright, peace.